Hello children, let's do grade 3 English workbook today. Here we are going to do unit 4, my food bag, right? So we are going to learn the names of food, right? So on the first page we have the fruits matching activity, right? So what you have to do, you have to read the words and match with the proper picture, okay? For example, now this is an apple. So you have to find the apple and match. This is the apple, so draw a line, right? So you can do this. It's not very hard. They are simple activities, so you can do this activity, right? And the next one is do the puzzle. Do the puzzle, right? Pictures are given, right? Pictures are given. What you have to do is you have to write the names of the fruits. Now you know this so all the names now we have done on the last page, so you can write these. If you want, you can look at the previous page and write the words, okay? And then we move on to the next part, the boss and his son. The boss and his son. So here the boss and his son in a cafe, and the boss is fond of coffee. His son is fond of toffees, right? So number one, what is the boss fond of? Boss is fond of coffee. So you write coffee here. What is his son fond of? Toffees. So properly look at the letters and write, because both are looking similar but the meaning is different. Coffee for the boss, his son fond of toffees. So write the answers. Right, now here you have to match the vegetables, right? You know the names of the vegetables, so you have to read them and match. Carrots, leeks, cabbage, potatoes, tomatoes, beans, mushrooms, pumpkin, onions, green leaves, yams, spinach, right? Read and match with the proper picture. Okay. Then here you have to do the puzzle with the vegetables. Number one, where's number one? On the puzzle now here. Number one is tomatoes. So we can write tomatoes here. Right, like that up to 12. You'll find the number and write the correct word by looking at the picture. Then here drinks and snacks. Right. So what are the drinks and snacks we have? Coffee, milk, tea, orange juice, water, cake, sandwiches, biscuits, fruits. Look at the words and match with the pictures. Then here circle in color. Circle in color. Fruits in pink, drinks in yellow, vegetables in green, snacks in blue. What you have to do? Look at the words. Now these are grapes. The word is grapes. So grapes is a fruit. So fruits in pink. You have to draw a circle around using pink pencil. Pink pencil එක අරගෙන මේක වටේ circle කරන්න තියෙනවා. Then cabbage is vegetable no green. Vegetables in green. Green pencil එකක් අරගෙන මේක වටේ circle කරන්න. Right? Like that you can do this page. Food at meal times, right? So you can do this as well. Roti, bread, string hoppers, noodles, fried rice, pittu, potato curry, fish curry. Those are the food we eat. Look at the pictures and match together. Okay? Right. Then the next one, meals. Match. The first meal of the day, what do you call? පළවෙනියෙන්ම ගන්න කෑම වේල we call breakfast. The main meal of the day, lunch. The last meal we have is dinner, right? So number 9 is check your spelling. Now you have gone through many different activities and you have met all these words, right? So what you have to do is you have to fill the blanks with the proper letters. Apple, pineapple, mango, grapes, like that. Write the proper letters, right? In the next page, what do you like to eat? Select your menu. For breakfast, I like, you can choose the words from here. If you like to eat bread, you can say I like bread. If you like milk rice, You can write here, I like milk rice. Words are given underneath. You can look at the words and write properly. Please don't make any spelling mistake. I don't want spelling mistakes because the words are given. You don't want to think and write, right? Look at the words and write. That's fine. You can practice them. For lunch, how do you write? I like fried rice. I like rice and curry. So like that, right here. For dinner, what would you like to eat? You can say I like that. I like string hoppers. I like pittu. Okay, write the sentences here. Then the next page is plant food, animal food. What are the plant food means? Plant food means the food we have from plants. For example, fruits we have from plants. Animal food means food we have from animals. අපි සත්තුන්ගෙන් ආහාර සත්ව ආහාර කියන්නේ. සත්තුන්ගේ ආහාරයි ශාක ආහාර තමයි මේ දෙකට බෙදන්න ඕනේ. Animal food you must write here. Plant food you must write on this table, right? Animal food, what are the animal food we find here? I give some example. Milk we get from animals, so write milk here. Plant food, you can say fruits, right? So do this activity as well. They are very simple. You can do them, okay? Tell us what do you like and what you don't like. What you like and don't like, you have to write here. You can say about fruits, I like rambutan, I like apple, I like oranges. Then I don't like guava. You can say I don't like rambutan, I don't like mangoes. So like that, right here. So things you like in this column, this you don't like in this column. Vegetables, right here, things you like, the vegetables you like, the vegetables you don't like. Please follow the sentence pattern, okay? Sentence pattern is given here, so you can follow. Drinks also you can say I like water, I don't like coffee, like that. Snacks, I like chips, I don't like nuggets, so you can write like that. Food at meal times. Meal times, what do you like to eat? I like rice and curry, I don't like fried rice, right? Like that you can write food you have at meal time, things you like, things you don't like. Write 2 sentences for each part, right? Right. In here, what I eat. What I eat. What I eat. Let's read the sentences given. I eat green gram for breakfast. I eat rice and curry for lunch. I eat string hoppers for dinner. Then this boy says, I eat sandwiches for breakfast. I eat fried rice for lunch. I eat roti for dinner. So what these children are having for their breakfast, lunch and dinner are given here. You have to explain about yourself. What you have for breakfast, what you have for lunch, what you have for dinner. What are the 3 meals? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. So you have to write separately 3 sentences. Okay. So these are the activities we must do on this section. So you can do it. It's very easy. And we meet again in another video. Thank you. Bye.